this kind of mockup from envato, which is this one, like this. And when you open this file, you'll have this kind of thing here. Place your design here. So what you have to do is just on this white area, this thumbnail area, you just have to put your cursor here and just double click, and this will open this page. And then you just have to place your design. See, I'll take one of these. You can drag and put it there, and to resize it from like even sides, to resize it evenly from all the sides, you just have to press alt and drag from one of the points till your actual place. Yeah, and I'll just hide this layer, and that's it. You just have to press Ctrl S after doing all that work and go back. See, here is your design. And from on the back side, if I'll put the same design, or I can take any other design like this, just put it here. Then again the same process, alt and drag, and then place it as per yours. So if you press shift and then drag this image, it will do just one side of the image, not the entire side, so it won't be symmetry. And then again Ctrl S and go back. See, or we can place our same image. We can do this now. You'll take this one. Then again Ctrl S. Yeah, that's it. See how cool it looks. So this way, if you're placing like putting your designs plainly on any kind of platform or to show your work, just do this way and it will look more elegant and more professional. This way your portfolio and resume will go to next level. When someone from a non-design field will look at your portfolio, they'll have one image of you in their mind that yeah, this guy knows something about designing. Okay, so we'll export it. File, export as PNG. Done. That's it.